This is the first time somebody from the backward caste has become the Prime Minister of the country. I mean, it's a Barack Obama moment, frankly. Barack Obama coming has given oxygen, has given confidence to millions of Americans that we can also make it. And you have a lot of talk about backwardness and backward caste, but these have been talked by people of a different caste altogether. This is the first person from the backward caste to become the Prime Minister. And I think that's a huge statement. I'm happy that people from very so-called backward caste became chief ministers. That has created social transformation in India. It's still a work in progress. Caste is still a problem and a barrier to many things. But Prime Minister Modi represents the first time that a backward class person has become the Prime Minister of the country. Let me tell you that the Indian Income Tax Act is one of the most barbaric in the world. You know, if the income tax officer has absolute discretion to say whether whether evaded tax or not, and if you evade as little as $20, you can go to jail for 5 years. I mean, that's a totally barbaric act. And he has said, this is a barbaric act, but don't implement it. So slowly, I would say, if you come to India, you'll find among business community, you'll find among taxpayers, you'll find among professionals, a mood is slowly changing. It's not going to be easy. I agree he's going to face obstacles, but this is a man who has remained, whose family has remained poor, despite the fact that he's been in power in 14 years.